I just made a 16% profit on my capital in less than 5 minutes using a Sky AI arbitrage opportunity most traders completely missed. No complicated trading, no guessing market direction, and no expensive tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I found the opportunity, executed the trade, and locked in the profit step by step. Let's get started. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime we release a new content, you will be informed. Now, Sky AI token is actually making some rounds, and as you can see from here on CoinMarketCap, it has made about 42.99% within the past 24 hours, despite the fact that market has been down. Yes, it has actually seen some dip and then it's trying to recover. It has made some corrections were made and then it is trying to recover back to the bullish trend it was on before that stuff started. So guys, to start this, all you just have to do is just come out of your browser, because I was doing that on my browser. So the next thing to do will be to click on your Trust Wallet. Once you are inside your Trust Wallet, the next thing to do will be click on the Discover. If you click the Discover, at the search bar there, just put in Valeris Network and then hit enter. Now you'll be brought to this page. Now the first thing to do when you're here is to connect your wallet to the platform. If you haven't done that already, it's just easy. All you have to do is to click on the wallet icon at the top and then follow the prompts. It's very easy. But if you get confused, a link will be provided at the top of this video, leading you to another video that shows you how to fully connect your wallet to the platform. Now with that out of the way, the second thing you need to do now is change your network from, after you've connected your wallet, change your network from Ethereum to BSC, because we are going to be trading Sky AI on BSC network. So all I'll do is click on this and then change it to BNB network. Once that is done, the next thing to do is to click on the menu and then go to swap. Once you arrive at the swap page, first thing you want to do is, depending on the token you want to use to buy your Sky AI, you can use BNB, you can use USDT, you can use any other token on the BSC network. Now for this, I'll be using USDT on the BSC network to do this transaction because I have a few tokens there. So the next thing to do will be to click on this toggle, so you have USDT at the top. Once that is done, click on the BNB and then search for Sky AI. Now you can see Sky AI here, and then we'll select Sky AI. There's one thing I want you to pay attention to. When we searched for Sky AI, you could see the value it showed us there. It showed us about 24 cents for Sky AI token as the price. But if you come here, we come back to CoinMarketCap and then go scroll all the way to the top, you can see here that we have 28 USD as the price, not 24. So we have this price discrepancy, and like I said before, arbitrage is just a process of buying from a cheaper platform or a cheaper environment and then selling at a more expensive environment. So let's go back to Trust Wallet. We'll come back to Trust Wallet. While we're here, next thing to do will be to provide the quantity of USDT that we want to use to buy the Sky AI. So for this, I'll be providing 5,000 USDT. Now that is going to give us around 20,000 Sky AI token. Now click on the swap and then confirm the transaction. Give this a few seconds to process, and once this is done, you just click on the close, and that is it. We are done. Next thing to do will be to come back to our Trust Wallet and confirm what we have done and see what profit we locked in. Now exit platform and then come back to home on your Trust Wallet. And give this a few seconds to process, and then sync your transactions. Just give it a few seconds. Let's Sky AI token that we bought, let it reflect. All right, as you can see now, we have the Sky AI token and it's present here. And if I click inside of the Sky AI token and then click on the activities, I want you to just pay attention to something here. At the activities, you can see that we used 5,000 USDT to buy 20,000.9 is Sky AI. And at this other end, at the right end of the list of that row, you will see that what we made finally was $5,971. Instead of $5,000, we invested $5,000 in this arbitrage process and then got back 5,900. This is a massive one. Now here is one other misconception that I have noticed. People trying, someone contacted me the other day telling me that they tried the arbitrage, but what was returned to them was not the profit that they were expecting. Now, I want you to always have this in mind. There is a fee that you are charged when doing this transaction, and this is the reason why I always use large capital to do the transaction. Now, with a large capital, my profit is going to exceed whatever fee that I'll be charged for the process, thereby me seeing my profit at the end of the day. But imagine I'm using something like, say, maybe $10 or $20 or even $50 to do this transaction. There's a very high chance that my fee is going to cut off the profit that I'll be making. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do well to click on the subscribe button and click on the like icon as well. Turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be informed every time that I bring or release a new content. Until next time, stay safe.